What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and concepts you need to know in order to break. Alright, so today's footwork move we're going to be working on is called an extended pretzel. Alright, so before we get into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so our extended pretzel is a variation of our basic pretzel, so if you don't know how to do that yet, be sure to check out my previous tutorial I did on it before coming to this one. Alright, so our extended pretzel just adds an extra little spin in between finishing off one of our half pretzels. Okay, so we're going to start with our regular pretzel. Same moves apply. I'm going to kick out, just kick out, sit in it, again make sure I'm sitting on my heel. So we're going to turn from here. This is the only variation. So from here, for this one, I am going to put my knee down right away. And then as I do this sweep, I'm actually going to put my weight kind of on this foot so I can collapse it down here. Okay, so I'm really going to collapse it down onto my knee. And my knee is what's going to take over so I can turn around this way. Okay, so a little tricky. Let's go really slowly. So again, basic pretzel. So kick, down, around. As I go to the sweep, I'm going to use my weight on my left arm. As I'm bringing my foot to the front, I'm going to collapse this foot in and kind of lean into this knee so it goes down. So now I feel my weight on my left arm and my left knee. And as I do this, I'm really just pulling this heel through this little hole here and around over here. Okay, so I'm kind of ending up with my right leg straight and my left leg bent. So let's try that again. With my left leg, I'm going kick, reset, turn, sweep from here, now leaning to my left arm and collapsing on my knee here. Now I'm using this knee to push my body around here. Okay, so just to finish this off, now we finish off our half pretzel, how we do our basic pretzel. So we come around one more time, sweep, and then back down. Okay, so that little fancy part in the middle is our only extra point. Okay, so starting with our left. So we go here, going kick, down, twist, collapse onto this left knee, turn, finish, around, down. Okay, let's go one more time. So starting with our left leg, this goes kick, down, twist, around, spin, around, sweep, finish. All right, so once you have that side, let's try going the other way. Okay, so we have our half pretzel here. Let's finish off the pretzel on this side. So same moves apply. Now just opposite legs. So I'm going right, reset, around. Again, now I'm going to collapse onto my left knee. My right knee's going to come around. This is when I'm going to lean to my right, so I have space to go onto my right knee. From here, this right knee comes down to the floor. I feel my weight here and here. Spinning on this knee, around here. Okay, so again, just that part. I'm going kick, reset, twist, around. Lean to your right. Lean to your right, collapse this knee down, spin on this knee, around. Now from here, just finish off your normal pretzel, sweep, around. Okay, let's try that again. Here we go. So I'm going with my right leg. This goes kick, reset, twist, knee, around, knee, finish. All right, so once you have that done, let's try going back and forth. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes kick, down, around, spin, around, sweep, other way, kick, down, around, sweep, turn, sweep, one more time, kick, down, around, sweep, and around, sweep, finish, kick, down, around, sweep, turn, sweep, and down. All right, so let's try that again. I'm face back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, down, around, collapse, around, sweep, other way, kick, down, around, collapse, turn, sweep, again, kick, down, around, collapse, around, sweep, one more time, kick, down, around, sweep, around, sweep, down. All right, so now let's put it together with counts. So for this one, I'm just gonna use whole counts for kind of each move. That little knee swivel on the floor, we get maybe like 2 or 3 counts on that. Okay, so starting with the left. So 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'm gonna face it back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes kick, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one. Again, we really want to collapse onto that knee. And once your knee collapses, that's when you want to put all your weight on that knee and really use that almost like a hinge or a swivel to swivel your body around. And again, to be able to collapse your knee, you really have to lean towards that arm so you have space for that knee to fall down, and then you're kind of following that same circular motion with that arm. Alright, so I would love to see you practicing and training hard, so go ahead and post up a video of yourself and make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong in the video, and I'll be sure to give you comments, leave you props, and all good stuff like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video and also comment down below what you liked about it and what you learned from it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace!